Hello students, this is the introductory video for your automobile engineering lab. In this lab we will be studying about the various working components that are there in an automobile. Okay. In this lab, if we see here, we have the working model of the manual brake system, okay. And then is your hydraulic brake system is there. The model demonstrating the radiator system or the engine cooling system is there. Dynamometer is there. This is the working model of the gear system or your gearbox is there with the gear here. This is the working model of your clutch is there. This is your ignition system where you have the spark plugs here. This is the model of your steering system that we use in your automobiles to steer your car. Then we have here is a 4-stroke diesel engine test rig. In this we have various sensors attached at various points inside the engine, and we can get the working output of the various sensors through this output device here. This is your working model of the differential that is there in the car, and on this side, if you can see here, these are the various actual engines we have here. 4-stroke engine, 2-stroke engine. This is the dismantled Maruti 800 3-cylinder engine is there. Okay. This is again, these are all for your practical practice. These engines are here. You can open these engines and you can disassemble and assemble these engines to get the practical know-how about how the various parts of the engine are here. Here we have the actual Maruti 800 car, old car is there. This is also for study purpose. We study the various functioning and we can know about where which part is installed and how that works. Okay. At the end we have here the list of various practicals that we will be doing during this lab course. Okay, in the next video we will be conducting the first practical. I will be demonstrating you about how we will be doing the first practical. Okay, thanks.